but we'll use it because that's what the world today understands. I believe Jesus did not die for our sins because I don't believe there's such a thing as sin.
Nope.
I believe that if there is such a thing as sin, it's what man creates himself.
Yep, I agree with that.
Okay, well then you'd like Mary Magdalene. But anyway, I believe that Jesus Christ was a teacher, and I think he was a very wise teacher, and he taught,
That's
and
what
he
he did.
died for the
Put
truth
all
that
the
he
food in
stood
one
for.
spot.
And he happened to be in the scene, and he decided to disrupt Judaism as it presently stood in that day. And they couldn't have him around because he was disrupting their little organization that they had, and he was doing it with truth. This is here's
Dad,
truth.
you need to read Lamb. For a good book for entertainment purposes only, you need to read Lamb.
What is lamb?
It's called Lamb. The life of Jesus Christ as a child as told by his best friend Biff. And it is it's not historically accurate.
I tried to do one like that, and you're talking about how he was resurrected with eating cats and stuff, and I got,
You couldn't make it through Lamb, where he learned how to make water from wine and milk from rice class. I think you did. Yeah.
well,
Good job, Brady. Did you see what Brady's doing here? He put all the food in one spot and they all have to come